lights are glowing everywhere we go, blinking through the rhythm of our hearts as they beat in time to the bells and chimes ringing out from places near and far. And there's magic in the cool December breeze, sweeping through the alleys everywhere. Christmas air. Oh, where the thoughts untangled by the air at Christmas time. Take a whiff of Grandma's homemade Christmas bread and chestnuts roasting on the fire. The carols in the air and in my head, and all my heart's desires, and the world's a place to be again. There's an air of happiness and glee, Christmas songs of old, and a story told of our Savior born to set us free. As the whole world eagerly awaits our King, hope our heart will be everywhere. We rejoice in Him, and we breathe in that familiar Christmas air.
Sing a Christmas carol. Christmas children live in a Christmas daydream. Sing a Christmas carol. Christmas children hunger for Christmas morning.
Christmas children peep into Christmas windows, see a world as pretty as a dream. Christmas trees and toys, Christmas hopes and joys, Christmas puddings rich with Christmas cream.
Christmas presents shine in the Christmas window. Christmas boxes tied with pretty bows. Wonder what's inside, what delights they hide. But till Christmas morning, no one knows. Won't it be exciting if it snows? I suppose that children everywhere will say a Christmas prayer till Santa brings their Christmas things. Christmas children live in a Christmas daydream, waiting for the magic to unfold. come true. Not so young ones too. We believe that story we've been told. Christmas is for children young and old. Christmas children, sing a Christmas carol. Christmas children, live a Christmas daydream. Sing Christmas carol. Christmas children, live a Christmas daydream. Sing a Christmas carol. Christmas children, live in Christmas daydream. Sing Christmas carol. Christmas children, live in a Christmas daydream. Sing Christmas carol. Sing Christmas carol. Christmas children, live in a Christmas daydream. Sing Christmas carol. Whenever I see girls and boys selling lanterns on the street, I remember the child in the manger as he sleeps. Wherever there are people giving gifts, exchanging cards, I believe that Christmas is truly in our hearts. Let's light our Christmas trees for a bright tomorrow where nations are at peace and all are one in God. Let's sing me the Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. The siege in May, we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. In every prayer and every song, the community unites, celebrating the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ. Let love like that starlight on that first Christmas morn lead us back to the manger where Christ the child was born. So come, let us rejoice. Come and sing the Christmas carol with one big joyful voice. Proclaim the name of the Lord. Let's sing me Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. The seeds of May, we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let it be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts. Let's sing me Merry Christmas and a happy holiday. To see the May, we never forget the love we have for Jesus. Let him be the one to guide us as another new year starts. And may the spirit of Christmas be always in our hearts.